Hey guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I have a card extravaganza. I made a whole bunch of thank you cards and I thought I would share this with you. So some simple supplies, just got that Lawn Fawn stamp set and die set. Love that. Got some embossing powder, my stamp positioner, some pre-made card bases. This is a bunch of cardstock that I've had cut to make cards in a box for a long time. And I'm just going to make a ton of thank you cards, and they all basically have the same thing, but they're super simple. And I thought that this might help somebody who was struggling with making mass amount of cards. You can kind of mass produce it. And I leave out some of it, but the stamping, you just stamp it in a row. So you stamp it, emboss it, put it back in, move your stamp, stamp it, emboss it, put it back in, and you just do a whole bunch of them. You know, so you do it to mass produce, you have to make many of one thing, right? So I stamped out the thanks multiple times on that sheet and then embossed it, and then I cut them all out. And then once I do that, what I like to do, I do it many times. So for those of you that have seen my videos, I cut usually 3 extra die cuts to back it up so that my sentiment that says thanks, so that is like its own embellishment. But this tip is one of the things that you're going to go, oh my gosh, how come I never thought of this before? This is my favorite trick to get all those tiny little fibers that stay on the things that you die cut. They're just in the way, and hopefully you can see them in the video. The little small, real fine fibers that are left behind when you run something through your die cutting machine. Just use a toothbrush, the easiest thing. And these are old used toothbrushes. Obviously I cleaned them, bleached them clean. And look at it, they all come right off. So you just go in small circular motions or back and forth, careful, you know, with it, and they all come right off. Super easy, and that's how you take care of all those little fibers. So I'll let the music play for the rest of it while you watch it come together, and hopefully you got something out of this video. Please leave me a comment, let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you can get any video that I put up. So thanks so much for watching, and more to come.